There's a snowstorm. So watch out for this. Starbucks. Ow. That's snow. Yeah, snow in my ear. What was that? Right. It's supposed to do a YouTube video you don't know about being popular. That's pretty old. Got a bunch of snow in my ear.
In your ear? I did too. What's the big deal?
Huh?
I said it got snow in his ear. I said, me too. It's blowing sideways.
Are you taking a video or something?
Yeah, don't know about
In the red shirt.
YouTube,
Evidence.
the magical thing.
So if he comes up here, he'll act like we don't know. He's
Abby just left alone out there.
I know.
He'll be barking
She's
by now.
used to it now. She
After
does.
breakfast.
She travels with us all the time.
Stop.
Yay, breakfast.
Nope. That's embarrassing.
Menu's not there.
Yeah.
She's pretty nice.
How are you doing today?
Great, how about you?
Yeah.
Doing good. Thank you. Coffee, tea, or Pepsi, or juice?
Coffee and cream.
Coffee? What do you want? Hot chocolate?
Sure.
You have hot chocolate?
And cream with the coffee.
Yes.
Please. And water. Get the lumber guy.
I don't know anything.
Do anything? Just hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not hungry.
You know anything to eat?
He's had breakfast.
Oh, okay.
I
He
haven't.
ate it. He ate at home, right? No?
My
You didn't eat at home?
My stomach feels like it's about to throw up since I'm
Oh, okay. Well, we'll just get you some hot chocolate.
But
If you're going to throw up, keep on her, not me, okay?
yeah, that's what you deserve for doing that weird thing.
Sorry? Hey, Mark.
Dave, how are you?
I've been great.
Hi.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, how you been?
Good, good. I just played golf with Ron Smith Sunday.
Oh, did you? I haven't seen Ron for a while.
Oh, he's doing fine. I still play with he and Andy.
Yeah.
Andy was judging some chili cook-off Sunday.
So he, yeah. Well, he was probably drinking